Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix an unresponsive touchscreen on Android. Touchscreen issue can occur due to screen damage, software glitches, or dirty screen surfaces. First, restart the Android phone to refresh the system. Next, clean the screen with a soft dry cloth to remove any dirt or oil. If the touch issue continues, remove any screen protector or case that may interfere with touch sensitivity. Next, check for system updates by going to Software Update and Install if the update is available. If the problem persists, try booting into safe mode to check for app conflicts. Just long press on the power off button and switch to safe mode. And if the touch works in safe mode, uninstall recently installed app that may be causing the issue. If none of these steps work, the screen may be damaged and you may need a professional repair. And that's it. We just learned how to troubleshoot unresponsive touchscreen by cleaning the screen, updating software, and testing in safe mode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.